You may have seen lots of devices that come with different kinds of sensors that can perform a variety of functions. For example, smartphones have a system for automatic brightness, and a fire alarm can detect the fire and inform people to leave the location. Just like that, many devices are helpful in our day-to-day lives and are useful. Have a look at these sensor technologies and let's take a brief understanding of their future. So, what are sensors? The sensors are devices that detect change in one quantity and convert it into the other. In general terms, they convert the change from biological, physical or chemical format into the readable format. For example, the thermometer for detecting the temperature and speedometer in your car or bike. These days, sensors are used in a wide variety of applications, ranging from your television remote to the smartphone, which you might be currently using for watching the video. Let's come to the working part of the sensors. They have a very complex structure, which helps them to analyze and read the input stimuli and help to decode these stimuli to an output signal. Different sensors have different functionality, which comes with a wide diversity of buildings. You can compare these sensor technologies with human beings, as we humans can sense external stimuli and respond accordingly. As an example, when you come near a fire, you start feeling the heat in it and you make decisions accordingly. The same things applied with the fire alarm. It detects the hotness, which becomes the reason for starting the alarm. There are additional features you can use on your body sensors, like not removing your hand away from the fire due to a cold environment around you. In the same way, the sensors also have something known as a threshold stimuli. A threshold stimuli means that the sensor will only start to function when the threshold parameter is reached. We hope you have got a piece of basic knowledge about sensors. Now let's have a look on how the sensors impact us and how do they hold the potential to influence our future. Sensor technology from time to time shows very drastic advancement, as it is starting to come into our daily use devices, including your smartphone, laptops, television, smart home devices, etc. Sensors are present mostly in high-powered and low-cost electronic circuits, which can also perform novel signal processing methods for vital signal processors. Day by day, these are becoming more promising and more economical, with an increase in their quality. Most of the time when we are discussing the future, we are talking about multiple factors and not just a single one. This is because we aim to get the benefit of multiple technologies on a single device. These days we are integrating multiple devices into one, as in the case of smartphones, which can do the tasks that required the utilization of many different kinds of devices a couple decades ago. This trend can also be seen developing in the case of sensors. The major part of the future also depends on the demand, as there are the consumers who decide which type of products do they want. A plethora of companies then start building these products and services which have high demand. There are huge advancements already taking place, with many more in active development, like drones starting to be used as delivery services. In a similar way, there are cars and other types of vehicles that nowadays come with tons of features like automatic driving and touchscreen devices. This was all about the fascinating things we know as sensors. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, do comment on our video.